Hey folks, this is Jake at Goods, Gadgets, and Gear. Today we're taking a look at a sonic bath. This is good for if you're a knife guy or you've got jewelry or fine stuff. Sonic cleaners can clean those things very, very well. Let's say you got a knife. If you're an outdoorsman and you're a hunter and your knife, you got blood and it's gotten behind the handle scales, but your handle scales are, attached. You can't easily take them apart and stuff. These things can clean them very, very well. This brand, they've got a number of at GearBest still, just not this model anymore. GT Sonic. This is the VGT-1620T, no longer available. They've got other versions. It comes with a nice plug. You can get North American plugs. You can get European plugs. You can get other kinds of plugs. I can recommend the brand because I use this and it works very, very well. You can use it simply with water if you want to. You just put water in there up to that line. It comes with a basket. The basket's upstairs. And a lid. And you just turn on the timer, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want to do. Do it multiple times if you need to, but usually one run at 10 minutes works just fine. I'm going to show you some before and after pictures of some jewelry that I did of my wife's, and it just works very, very well. This guy was $57 US. They've got some prices for other ones. Below the video in the description area, above the top comment, click on where it says show more, or if you're on a cell phone, down in that corner, you click on a little triangle, black triangle. It's just a tiny little thing, and it'll expand to the description. I'll leave links for a few other of these sonic baths. They work really, really well. I encourage you to get some. I really impressed my wife with getting her clean jewelry. She had taken it to the jeweler for cleaning. I put it in here in just water for 15 minutes, and it's cleaner than any jeweler made it for her. It's like brand new for her. She is ecstatic. My wife loves me for this thing. Inexpensive, all kinds of uses. I encourage you to get one. I am in my kitchen, and this is the GT Sonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner from GearBest. You can buy one of these professional cleaners for less than the residential or consumer ones cost in North America. So I got one of these. It does come with a regular plug. This is the one end, and the other end is just your regular North American plug. Of course, you can get them for Europe and China and all different plugs that you want. Got some of my wife's jewelry. Right now, I just have some water in there, and we're going to clean some of my wife's jewelry. And you can see it's not super clean, and we'll see what it's like when we're done. So there we go. Let's get, I'll put my ring in there too. So there we go. There's my ring. It's got a little diamond in it. Put the lid on it. You can use plain water or you can buy solution for it. I think I will be buying some solution, but look at this. Check out that cross. Look how clean that is. My wife had taken it to a jewelry store and they couldn't clean it that well. And so this is just a little sonic cleaner. And it's done a great job. And that chain, that silver chain was quite dirty, and now it's very clean. And there's the Xiaomi Band 2 stuff. The original band on the left, the rubber, it didn't clean very well. I guess rubber just flexes with the vibrations. But that chain there is nice and clean, so I can mail it off to the winner from my Goods, Gadgets, and Gear giveaway that I did at Christmas time. So I don't think there's anything more to say about this device. Nothing great to do about the video. It's a very simple device. You can get them in plugs for just about any country in the world. You can get them 110 volts, 200 volts, 240 volts, whatever. Very simple. I recommend this. If you want to get one, please use the links in my description below the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. We'll see you next time.